We don't have to ask that question anymore.
Are there gonna be whales?
Okay, so the California sea lions, they're the ones that sound like your classic sea lion. They're normally darker in colour, and the males have got this bump on their head. Okay. We also get Stellar sea lions, probably see a little bit further.
Oh, smells so good.
And they're much bigger, and they sound more like they're in the area. And then what happens is, the way that they breed is in what we call a harem. So there's going to be one male to maybe 100 females, and